Hello everyone. So before we start, like always, click the quick disclaimer. Nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. You are responsible, of course, for your own decisions. So didn't enter a trade this morning, to be honest. Didn't see any opportunities in the markets. So yeah, we will be trading together. Please let me know in the chat box if the sound is good. Make sure to like the live stream, subscribe, and tell me where you guys are watching from. So let's go through my open trades. Let me remove this gum. So I've entered the EURUSD yesterday, still in a bit of drawdown. USDJPY touched the TP1, stop loss at entry. USD still in this one too. EURUSD, I believe we are out from this trade. GBPCAD, yeah, I believe we are out, yeah, because yesterday we touched TP1 here, and yeah, I believe we are out. Let me check. GBPCAD, yeah, we are out from this trade. So this trade is gone too. GBPJPY, yeah, look at this entry, guys. I've entered yesterday in the morning, touched the TP1 right here. Here we didn't touch the TP1, and yeah, we are moving slowly to the TP2 levels. Yeah, it was a really nice entry. GBPUSD, we are in a bit of drawdown too. USDCAD, the trade is still open. USDJPY also still open, and gold, yeah, I don't have an open trade in gold right now. So we will go quickly over all the pairs that we have. Maybe we spot an opportunity or something, then see if we can do some amazing trades on gold like yesterday, the day before, and like always on the stream, you know. So the CFDGPY didn't reach this level, that's why we didn't have an entry. CHFGPY did reach this level, but yeah, this was a great entry, to be honest, but I was not in front of the screen, so no problem. What about EURUSD? Like I told you yesterday, I'm looking for entries at this level. And EURUSD, maybe a buy is logical, because you can see right here, yeah, we are trending up, and we didn't break this higher low here, so I believe we will continue going up. So I will enter. This looks like a good trade. So let me quickly enter this one. The EURUSD. Trading shouldn't be hard. It's so easy. You see an opportunity like this, you go in, and yeah, you do nothing more. So my entry is at 57. The TP is this, and the stop loss is this, like always. This trade will take a bit of time, but yeah, if you see the daily time frame, it looks okay. So let me share that quickly in Telegram. 6th of January. Let me see. The EURUCAD. The entry, as said, is 161.57. 87. Let me quickly share that with the premium group and also enter the GP levels and everything. 62.57 and 63.57. 60.87. This looks like a decent trade, to be honest. And yeah, $60.87, $62.57, and the last one is $60.87. The last one is $63.57. So this is the trade. And let me quickly get the TP levels, or the TP1, TP2 and everything. The TP1 is at 87. The TP2 is at 57. And the TP3 is at 57, like I've said. So Euro CHF, no entry, no entry. We are too far from the entry. For all the GPY trades that we have right now, we can wait for, let me see this one, because I can see clearly we have a level right here. If you can see, let me show you. We have this rejection multiple times of this level. Yuval, why do you think it's going up? Which pair are you talking about? So yeah, I think, let me see. I think this trade is good too, because let me show you. We are overall in an uptrend on EURUJPY. Yeah, we had this, yeah, this phase right here. It's counted like a big pullback. So if we go to the daily, if we go to the daily, this is only a small pullback. If you can see it here, we had it here, we had it here, we had it multiple of times in the past, because you know, price is always moving like this, if you know what I mean. So this was a pullback, I hope. And yeah, so, and since we pulled back, now I think the EURUJPY will still continue its uptrend. And now I think we have a clear entry right here, because yeah, we broke this level, and yeah, we are doing like a small pullback right here. The stop loss will be so much safer right here. So following my levels. Yeah, I didn't see gold yet, but if you are talking about overall, if the gold will continue going up or down, yeah, I always believe that gold will continue going up. If you can go back and do the weekly time frame, or yeah, you will see gold trending since the 70s. So gold will always go up. This is, yeah, this is undiscussable. So EURUSD will enter this one too. So yeah, EURUSD, and yeah, we are looking good on the account. The entry is at 51. So yeah, this will be the TP and this will be the SL. And please do not copy trade me. This is not a financial advice. So we'll also share that in the group. 183, 51, 183, 70, 81. 84, 51, and 185, 51, 182, 81. So we'll enter my stop loss 182, 81, 53, 81. This is also a decent setup. 183, 51, 84, 51. No. I think you are watching from your phone, I believe, yeah? 183. That's why you don't see the full screen. Am I right? 85. But gold will always go up, brother. Yeah. We will have phases like pullbacks, but yeah, gold will always continue going up unless we find some mine with tons and tons of gold, but I don't think so. They already counted how much gold we have in earth. So yeah, this is my position. Let me quickly get the TP1 at 81. So the TP2 is at 51. And the TP3 is at 51 also. Let's monitor this trade and see. Yeah, looks good. What do you mean by small? You mean the stream? You can go into, you can click on my channel, on my picture, and go to see the full stream, because let me show you. Yeah, you can see it right here. Sorry. So right here on YouTube, you can see the full yeah stream. So let's go back and see. EURUSD, no entry. GBPCAD is behaving funny. So we entered yesterday exactly right here. We touched the TP1, yeah. So you can see this range here. Yeah, we'll not trade that. Sorry. And GBPJPY looks also good. GBPUSD also looks good, but yeah, we missed this entry yesterday. Yeah, no problem. We will not be able to catch all the trades in the earth. We do our best, and yeah. USD, no trades. will be trading gold from now. Let me see. Yeah, oil, there is an opportunity on oil, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, because we have this level right here. So if we can get into this area again, or I can enter now right here. The stops above this zone right here and target these lows. This is an easy trade. Yeah, because based on what's happening right now in the world, I believe the oil prices will still go down, I think. So let's go to gold and see what can we do. And please ask your questions in the chat box. The chat box today is so dead, don't know why. So the price action on gold today is funny because this is today. Let me show you. There is no clear trend, and the opposite of yesterday. Yeah, price, this is the start of the day, price trended down, and it was so easy for us to catch this trade right here that we sold gold. Then after this candle right here, we took this trade also and had good profits. So, and what about today? Let me remove this one and get, so we have this one, this level, we have this level in the middle, and this is a small level, and we have, yeah, this one too, but they are so close to each other. And now we are in the middle of this range, so it means that if the price goes down to this, we will buy. If the price comes up to this level, we will be selling. That's it, easy as that, after a clear confirmation, of course. So this is the plan. Let me quickly remove these circles, and yeah, let's wait and see. Since the chat is so dead, I will mute the mic for a bit, and yeah, be back in a minute. So to answer your question, Yuval, what I think the today's news will do to gold, I don't know, to be honest. Yeah. Depends on the news, you know? I don't know. So this trade we entered earlier, this one too in profits. USD we entered yesterday, GBPUSD we entered yesterday, GBPJPY we entered yesterday. TP1 is hit. These both positions have, yeah, the stop loss at entry, if you can see here. Not yet. Yeah, I forgot to change the stop loss to the entry. USDJPY also looks good. We have a trade from, yeah, from the 5th from last week, and the trade from yesterday. USDJPY also looks good. USD also, yeah. So overall the account looks good. I just need to change, yeah, the stops to entry for the GBPJPY. So, and make sure to like the live stream, subscribe, and join the Telegram channel. Is the first link on in the description. Let me quickly move the stops to the entry for the GBPJPY. So 210.72. Yeah. So let me see, GBPJPY, yeah, 210.72. What about today? How? Yeah, today I think we, let me see, custom period. Today we don't have any position closed. Custom period, yeah, since today, not the 70s. 2026 January. Today is the 9th. Yeah, we have the TP1 head of the EURUSD. The EURUSD has closed in for the break even, but we had some swap because we left this position open for so long. Let me quickly see how much we are up this week. So custom period from the 9th of January, no, from the 5th of January until today, we are up 15,000. So usual week, not a great week. Now we wait and see what will happen. Do you want me to look into a chart, or do you have any questions? And yeah, this is the account right here, so you can see everything by yourself. The history, this is for the monthly, I believe. Yeah, so everything looks good. The chat is so quiet today. People think that Friday is not good for trading. I have my best days on Friday. Even if we have news right now and everything, we would be waiting to see what we will trade. So for the people who are always with me in the live streams, you know, an opportunity can come, yeah, in any time. We have news in 11 minutes, so we will be waiting. So much news, to be honest. NFP, employment rate, yeah. You will see price behave like crazy, believe me. But if we can have an entry right here before the news and touch the TP1, it will be great. Yeah, this looks decent, to be honest. Let's do something. Just for fun, let's enter on gold. Please do not copy trade me, and see what will happen on the account on gold, because I believe price will continue going up. So my entry is at 66. The entry is at 66. So this will be the TP and this will be the stop loss. Please do not copy trade me. This is only for fun. So 66 or 67, my entry is 67. The stop loss is at 60. The TP is at 70. 67, 77, and 87. 60 and 87. So the entry, my entry is at 67. This will be the stop and this will be the TP. So far good. Let me get you the TP levels. Then 70 the TP1. The TP2 will be at 77. And the TP3 will be at here, 77. This is the TP2, and the TP3 will be, like I've said, on 87. So I believe TP1 is touch, yes. So stops to the entry at 67, and now we have a risk-free trade, you know. What a beautiful trade. So you can see, I will pull up the account right now. So yeah, history. Yeah, this is the TP1 that I've entered right now. The entry was at 67. The stops were at 60. The TP is at 70 for 30 pips. Now these both position that we have opened, the stop loss is at entry, if you can see right here, and these are the TPs. Let's see if we will be having an explosive move to the upside. And please like if you like the live stream, if you like this entry, and tell me if any one of you have enter this trade with me, although I've explicitly said that you don't need to copy trade me. We'll share that in let's see what will happen. So far so good. Let's see the other levels that we have. 87 is our 97. Maybe I will target 97 for the TP3. If we can touch at least TP2, I will be targeting 97 for the TP3, so 300 pips profits. But for now, let's wait. We have 5 minutes left for the news. The stops are at entry. Let's see. And like I've said, if we touch the TP2, I will be looking to move my TP3 further to 44.97 for 300 pips, because let's see. Maybe in the news the price will shoot straight down. That's why I've choose to enter before the news. So if the price moves to my side, my stops will be at break even, and in the news I will be safe. Three minutes left for the news. Two minutes left, less than 2 minutes in fact. Let's relax and watch. maybe we will go straight to our break-even points. So let me write it down here. Stop loss at break-even. One minute left, not 1 minute, 30 seconds left. Let's see. Now you will see the spread going bigger and bigger. Let's hope that the price will push up a bit so we can, yeah. Avoid getting our break-even touch. If not, no problem. So now you can see the spread is becoming bigger. Now we have the news. Let's see. Yeah, we were stopped out, I think. Yes. I hoped, yeah, like when the news come, the price will be here and we will shoot straight up, but it didn't happen. I think we were stopped out. Let's see. And what about the other trades that we have? So nothing to see here, also nothing to see. Yeah, nothing to see here, also the same thing. Yeah. I don't know, bro. I didn't count that yet. Let's wait for this mess to end, and yeah, let's go to the Telegram and count together. Let me pull up Telegram. So this week has started on the 5th of January, I believe. Yeah, yes. Let's count together. The 5th, 100 plus 100. These two minus 210 for gold. This one, we always count the stops times 3 plus 130 plus what we have here, 90 plus 170, 170 plus 90. We have an SL right here, minus 210 plus 30 plus 30, that's 60 plus 300. Then we have 400 here, 200 plus 100 plus 100, that's 400 minus 210 plus 130, these two, plus what we have here, 330, yeah, 330 plus 330, that's 1, 2, 3, minus 210, minus 210, minus 210, plus 30, plus 130, these two plus another 30, plus 60, these two, and yeah, 800 pips. We are up 800 pips today. I saw that Daniel has wrote something, then he deleted it, I believe. Or yeah, or you need to be subscribed, I think, to write comments. Remind me, Guri, are you in the premium channel? So, and 800 pips is not that much. We had even better weeks in the past. So, let's go to the 1 hour to see that direction. Yeah, I will wait for the price. I will do Telegram senior computer will update you every week. Will start from next week. Okay. So, and are you in the premium or you will enter next week? So this will be my plan, I think. Wait for the price to comes back to this level and do a buy, because yeah, if you can see here, we are still uptrending. Sorry. And right now we'll enter next. Okay, make sure to message Emily. She will guide you on Telegram. Okay, you are welcome, bro. Let's wait for an entry on gold. And let's see. Like I said earlier in the live stream, gold will always be up, bro. In prop firm, we are up 1% this week. Didn't get the time to, also didn't find any opportunities for prop firm in this week, because if you know, I trade only trending markets, and for trending I concentrate on the GPY trade. So this week started on the 5th here. Yeah, all other pairs are trending down, so I didn't find any entry beside USDJPY. We bought right here for prop firm, and yeah, I think on Monday we bought somewhere right here and touched 2%, and we had 1% loss. I don't know, to be honest. I need to look into somewhere between 700-ish, something like this. But you can see this account, I started this account on the 17th of November with 300. Now we are up 119 from the let me see if we can show you. So this account has started with 300. Let me pull up this account history, all history. So deposit was 300, and profit is 119. When was the deposit? Let me see. This is for today. Where is the deposit? The 9th? No. 10th. Yes, the deposit was on the 10th of November 2025, of course. Now we are up 119. So if you can see, if you can do last 3 months, yeah, it will not be changed. So this account is new. Let's go back and see if, yeah, I just need the price to pull back a bit. Need to refresh this. I want the price to pull back a bit, but it doesn't want to pull back. I want at least to go to this wick right here. And yeah, everyone make sure to like the live stream and subscribe, of course, to encourage me doing these live streams every day. Yeah, let's see. So we will be trading the breakout and retest pattern. Now we are waiting for a retest. So the retest actually happened here, but yeah, I want the price to go back a bit so we can have even better entry. Lee Matrick loved this channel. Thank you so much. Are you new on my live streams? And where are you from? Also make sure to follow me on my new Instagram. It's Daxton Trades. Let me pull it up. This is the new Instagram. My old one was deleted. Yeah, I sharing a lot of my stuff there. Okay, welcome, bro. Make sure to subscribe, like the live stream, and join the Telegram channel. It's the first link in the description. And if you have anyone some suggestions or about how to make the live stream even better or something, don't hesitate to tell me. because my goal for 2026 is to grow on social media even better than before, because yeah, my account was deleted for no reason. I'm trying to grow also on YouTube. What the stop loss would be if we took this entry right here. I would rather enter somewhere down below here. So we will be waiting for an entry down below because it's safer and aligns with my strategy. Even if you lose when following your strategy, you need to count it as a win. And even if you win, if you didn't follow your strategy, you will need to count it as a loss, because in the future you will be punished for for not following your strategy. So we have no entry yet. We are live since 1 hour approximately. So we have approximately 30 minutes for the New York session to start. Let's see if price will continue going down to have a clear entry. So the supposed entry will be somewhere here. If we can have a confirmation, of course. So I need to see the price rejecting these levels. So if we put our entry right here, we will be, yeah, the stop loss will be in a good place. Thirty seconds left for this candle to be over. Let's see. And like you know, the last minute of the 5-minute candle is the most important one, is where the price moves, yeah, so much. Are we still live? Because I see here that the chat is disconnected. Are we still live, everyone? I think so, yeah. So let's see if the price indicates that it will reject this level, and let's wait for this candle to end to have a clear observation. Great, because I saw in the chat that the chat was disconnected. I thought I'm out. Yeah, the price is rejecting this level so far, but you can go in exactly right here. But when the candle closes, it will be right here. So never enter before a candle close. Even if you see price shooting up, never enter. So it means that you was not supposed to take this trade. Even if you missed a win. So far we are looking good. We just need to wait for this candle to be over. So far it's looking so good, to be honest. Just need to wait for this candle to be over, then enter. Never enter a trade before a candle ends, because it's looking like a doji right here, but at the end of the candle it can look like, yeah, a straight candle like this. That's why we always wait. Because based on my experience, what I see most traders are lacking is the discipline to wait for their setup to show up before entering a trade. Everyone FOMOs and enter a trade, yeah, in the middle of a candle, and they end up losing. Then they will come back revenge trading, then they will blow their accounts, then they will say that trading is ass. So the last 30 seconds, let's see. And now, yeah, here we have other position open for Forex pairs. Now we wait for an entry on gold, because gold is the most pair that I enjoy trading. So this candle looks good, to be honest. It's a doji. Yeah, even if it looks bearish, that means price is rejecting this level. We wait for the price to come to, yes, somewhere like here, then enter. If it breaks this wick, I will go in. If not, we'll wait for the entry that you see here in front of you. Should I say it again? Never enter before candles close. $44.80 will be a great entry, to be honest. Do you guys have any questions? So now the price is at our entry. We'll need to wait for this candle to close, then decide. So you can see here that the price is keep rejecting this zone. We just need for this candle to close. Then yeah, we had the TP2 hit on GBPJPY, and yeah, this looks also good. $16 seconds left. And yeah, let's see. Please do not copy trade me. This is for educational purposes only. So my entry is at 83. Yeah, price shoots up so fast. Now the price is at 84. I think 44.84. Let's see. $87, 44.94, 45.04, 44.77. Let me quickly enter 87. Let me quickly enter my TP levels, because I've entered and also shared that in premium. 77, 84, 74, 84, 94. So TP1 is hit. 77 and 44, 45.04. So the entry is at 84. This will be the TP and this will be the stop loss. Also, yes, if you can see here, yeah, TP1 is hit. The stops are moved to the entry. And yeah, let me pull up quickly the TP levels. TP1 at 87, TP2 at 94, and TP3 at 04, sorry. So did any one of you catch this one? So let me quickly pull up this today. Today is the 9th. Yeah, the 9th. Yes, we are up 3,730. This is the TP1. We also have, yes, the TP1. We also have the TP2 level, the TP2 hit of the GBPJPY. Now we wait and see what will happen. We're still in. Yes, but the price is approaching our entry, I think. Yeah. We are still in, if you can see right here. Let's see, 20 seconds left. Let's see if we can get a full TP. If not, I will sign off and we will meet on Monday. I think we were out, not yet. Yeah, now we are out. So yeah, I think there is still room for gold to go up based on this, yeah, this wicks that we have right here. So yeah, I will go in one more time and call it a day. Now we have even a better entry at 81, I think. Yes. 81, 84, 91, and 01, and 74. So this is my entry as at 81. So this will be the TP and this will be the stop loss. 81, 84, 70, 81, 84, 74. And yeah, 74, 91. I'm putting the levels on my MT4. 74 and 4501. So TP1 is hit, I think, or not yet. Not yet, I think. 81. I think TP1 is hit. Let me see. Yes, TP1 is already hit. Let's see. TP2 is at 91 and TP3 is at 01. So the stops should be at break-even point now. 01, 81. Let me change the stops on my MT4. I hope this trade shoots straight up because this is a legendary entry. Let's see the account history. Yeah, 81. This is the TP1 hit. Let's hope that the price doesn't touch the entry again. Now the stop loss at break even, exactly right here. And if the price touches my break even point, I will sign off and continue to trade later in the afternoon. are still in. So we have the TP2 and TP3 exactly right here. Let's hope we break this one. TP2 is hit, great. What a trade. TP2 is hit. Let's see how the account is looking today. Account history, we are today up 6,808. We still have one open position on gold. Let's see if we can touch the full TP. And let's see if we can reach the 4501. Did someone catch this one with me? We are up now 10,000 on the account. There is some movement on the other pairs. We are now up 7,300. So we had a TP1 hit on the EURUSD that I've shared earlier in the live stream. So everything looks great. Let me see. Yes, EURUSDJPY TP1 hit, GBPJPY TP2 hit, GBPUSD is still in drawdown. Yes. This is a big wick, to be honest. It stops already at break even. So we wait. That's all we can do. And we had a TP1. I think we are up 1,000 pips this week, because earlier when we count together in the live stream we were up 800 pips. But wicks don't make us afraid. This is the plan. I will stick to my plan to the end. Please make sure to like the live stream if you like this entry right here that we entered together. This is, like I said, the legendary entry right at the wick. So yeah, this is the entry at 81, exactly at 81. So and today we are up 7,300. Now we wait and see if the price will touch our break-even point or shoot straight to TP3 hit. Because I still believe that we have some room to go up. this is still looking good. I'm also confident that the price will continue going up to touch the full TP. Moving slowly up, let's hope this wick doesn't stop us, this one right here. Open P&L looks very good, to be honest, today. We started today with, I think, 3K open P&L. Now we are at 11K. We are now at 95, still at this level right here. All we need is for gold to break this wicks right here so we can continue going up. And what's the best strategy now is to be patient and wait. This is all we can do, unless there is some chat or some questions from you guys. I will keep monitoring and wait for gold to act. You can see here that this EMA is acting like, yeah, a dynamic support for the price. We will keep holding. I hope the price will touch my break-even point so I can go to lunch. Yeah, you can see when the price was up right here. Yeah, we were up 11,000, but now we're back to 9,000. We are back again at 11,000. And yeah, usually when gold do this, I think we have 80 to 75 to 80% chance that we will get the full TP. This is what I'm talking about. Yes, let's go. Two minutes left for this candle to be over. 20 seconds, and price didn't want to break this wick. So I think I will end the live stream, yeah, and keep holding this position. Let's meet on Monday for a new live stream. Thank you so much for being with me live today. Make sure to subscribe, like the live stream, and join my Telegram channel. First link in the description. Thank you so much. Yeah, I want to have lunch. I will not be waiting for this chart to end. Thank you.